Namaste, welcome to Green Living Path. It's Al Yogi here. Today we're going to do a step-by-step guide through pranayama, how to actually increase the amount of prana in your body, and you'll be surprised how it affects your mood. A lot of people that are low in anxiety and in fear are actually low in prana, guys. So to lift your vibration and to feel happier and lighter and have a more positive outlook is key by filling yourself with prana. Now we're going to start off with mudras, which are basically finger techniques which are thousands of years old that use channels, energy channels with breath, combining it to charge your whole body like a battery. So the first one is this mudra here. If you can see, this is apana mudra, which is female prana, moon. Okay, and we're basically breathing in through the nose here. We've got receptors in the skull here that take in prana, and we're going to belly breathe. Nice, slow, 3 rhythmical breaths, but you want to be doing more than that, say 10. I'm just doing this for this video to kind of help people out. So we're going to start off breathing through the nose and out through the mouth. So okay, so that was the first one. That's apana mudra. And that's using this is 5 different energy channels of prana in your body. But we're going to concentrate on apana and prana mudra, which are the female and male prana nadis, energy channels in your body. So the second one is prana mudra, which is male, obviously, prana mudra. And that's the same process, breathing in through the nose, out the mouth, but it's to do with the sun. It's invigorating. So just 3 repetitions. Belly breathing, guys, into the belly, and then filling the belly up, and then the lungs. So just 3 rhythmical breaths. But obviously you'd do probably 10 cycles. Now, just by doing that, I can feel prana, the energy in my body change. You've also got a centering mudra. This is really good when you're nervous or anxiety or things aren't working out. What you need to do is this is the middle finger. And this centers your whole energy. And you're breathing in, just try it with 3 nice deep breaths. Great. So we've just covered apana mudra, which is the little finger. It's female prana channel. Then that was 3 rounds. Then we've done prana mudra, 3 rounds of breathing, and then we've done the centering technique to energize and give you a lot of centeredness, alignment. So now we're going to move on to Bastrika, which is fire breath. We're not going to do, sometimes you can use your arms as bellows, guys, but today we're just going to use an open hand technique, and we're going to breathe in. This is basically how it works. You're breathing into the belly and you're using it as bellows. It really invigorates your whole pranic field, your body, everything in your body, and it lifts the amount of prana in your body, and it gives you a more positive and open-hearted look at life. So with Bastrika, we'll use the stomach. Here we go. I was going to do a demonstration first before we do 3 rounds. You see that? So you're breathing in through the nose and out through the nose, and you're breathing into the stomach, and you're basically using it as a bellow. What's happening is you're taking in prana into your system by doing this. So we're going to do about 20 rounds of it, and you can see my stomach. So here we go. So that was 20 rounds, guys. So we've covered apana, prana, centering mudra, using prana to energize our body. Then we've introduced Bastrika, which is fire breath. Now you want to be doing 3 rounds of 20 with this, with Bastrika. You want to be at least doing 10 rounds with apana mudra and prana mudra and centering mudra, guys. So those are you got 4 breathing techniques you can use. Now the final one is just basically using the rounding off the back, and you're just using it to, this is the final relaxing, releasing posture and pranayama. So you slide your hands down, and as you do it here, I'll just do a demonstration. So what you're doing is you're convexing your spine as you go down, and then as you're straightening up your spine, guys. So here we go. We're going to do 10. So breathing. So start with a concave, breathing in. 2, 3, Great, so that was 10 rounds. I can feel the energy, especially in my head, of the amount of prana coming into my body, guys. It's interesting how doing this really affects your whole energetic system in your body. So just to recap before we finish, is the first one was apana mudra, doing 10 rounds of that. We only did 3 because it's demo for the video, but you want to be breathing in through the nose and breathing out through the mouth for apana mudra. For prana mudra, which is obviously that one is prana mudra, you want to be doing 10 rounds of that and breathing in through the nose, out the mouth. And for Bastrika, you want to be doing quick fire breaths using your belly, and then there's doing 3 sets of 20 rounds of that. And for the centering mudra, you can use this technique, and you want to be doing 10 rounds of that. And then the final one is using the spine. It's you're convexing the spine when you're going down and curling the head, and then inhaling and straightening the spine. And this is a really relaxing way as well. So overall, prana is a key to actually increasing the amount of energy in your body, and also putting you in a really positive and open-minded, loving mood, when you've got anxiety, guys, or fear, what you want to be doing is going through all these different prana techniques I've just given you, and you want to be doing that every single day, especially if you've got anxiety or fear, guys, because then it elevates your mood naturally. Because when you're in low or fearful state or anxiety, that simply means that you're have a limited amount of prana in your body, and naturally by taking in more prana you'll just lift your vibration up and you'll become a lot happier, guys. So I hope that helped. Boop, subscribe. I've got a book I wrote, a novel underneath, and I've also written about 18 books and 5 novels. But so yeah, boop, subscribe, put the thumbs up so you get notification. It's lovely to have all of you guys on Green Living Path. Let's lift our vibration each day, and let's live in harmony, live green, guys. So namaste, everybody. Bye for now.